The 2026 TVS Jupiter CNG marks a major milestone in the two-wheeler industry, becoming one of the world's first factory-developed CNG-powered scooters. Designed for riders who want ultra-low running costs, cleaner emissions, and everyday practicality, the Jupiter CNG takes India's most trusted scooter name and gives it a future-ready upgrade. This innovation isn't just about fuel efficiency, it's about redefining urban mobility for millions of commuters. A new chapter for the TVS Jupiter brand. TVS Jupiter has always been known for comfort, reliability, and family-friendly performance. With the 2026 CNG edition, TVS pushes the boundaries by offering a greener alternative without sacrificing usability. Unlike aftermarket CNG conversions, this model is engineered from the factory, ensuring safety, durability, and seamless performance. It reflects TVS Motor Company's commitment to cleaner mobility while keeping ownership affordable. Engine and CNG technology. The 2026 TVS Jupiter CNG is powered by a 110 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, specially tuned to run on compressed natural gas. The engine delivers smooth power output suitable for city riding, with refined throttle response and low vibrations. TVS has optimized combustion efficiency to ensure consistent performance even during stop-and-go traffic. One of the most impressive highlights is its dual-fuel capability. The scooter can switch between CNG and petrol, offering peace of mind for longer rides or areas where CNG stations are limited. This dual-fuel setup ensures riders are never stranded, making it practical for daily commuters. Outstanding fuel efficiency. Fuel efficiency is where the Jupiter CNG truly shines. TVS claims an impressive 85 to 90 km/kg CNG under real-world conditions, making it one of the most economical scooters ever produced. Compared to traditional petrol scooters, running costs are reduced by nearly 50 to 60%, making it ideal for office commuters, delivery riders, and budget-conscious families. With REC. Making it ideal for office commuters, delivery riders, and budget-conscious families. With rising fuel prices, this scooter offers long-term savings without compromising performance. Riders can expect consistent mileage even with daily city usage. Smart CNG tank placement and storage. One of the biggest engineering challenges was accommodating the CNG tank without affecting comfort or storage. TVS has cleverly integrated the CNG cylinder under the seat, ensuring optimal weight distribution and stability. While underseat storage is slightly reduced compared to the petrol variant, it still offers practical space for daily essentials. The fuel system includes advanced safety valves, leak detection technology, and reinforced tank housing to meet stringent safety standards. Design and styling updates. The 2026 Jupiter CNG retains the familiar and trusted Jupiter design language while adding subtle modern touches. It features refreshed body panels, updated color schemes, and CNG-specific badging. The scooter maintains its premium stance with chrome highlights, sleek LED tail lamps, and a well-sculpted front apron. Despite housing a CNG system, the scooter looks clean and well-balanced, ensuring it appeals to both young riders and mature commuters. Comfort and ride quality. Comfort remains a strong focus for TVS. The Jupiter CNG comes with a long, wide seat, telescopic front suspension, and a gas-charged rear shock absorber. These features ensure a smooth ride even on rough city roads. The riding posture is upright and relaxed, making long daily commutes stress-free. The low seat height also makes it accessible for riders of all age groups. Features and technology. The 2026 TVS Jupiter CNG includes modern convenience features such as semi-digital instrument cluster, real-time fuel indicator for both CNG and petrol, eco and power ride indicators, external fuel filling for added convenience, engine cutoff with side stand safety, USB mobile charging port. These features ensure a SMA